Hello and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. If you've ever created your own sticker on Instagram, whether from your camera roll using the cutout feature or through stories, you might eventually want to remove it. Maybe the sticker didn't turn out quite right, or maybe it's just cluttering your saved collection. Whatever the reason, deleting custom stickers on Instagram is possible, but the steps might not be immediately obvious. So in this guide, we'll walk you through the full process on how to delete a sticker you've made on Instagram, particularly on the latest version of the app. Open the Instagram app on your phone, Weta, on iPhone or Android. Tap the plus icon, or swipe right, to create a new story. Capture a new photo, or select one from your gallery. Tap the sticker icon, which is smiley face in a square at the top. Scroll until you find the section labeled Your Stickers or Cutouts. This section contains the stickers you've previously created using the cutout tool. Locate the sticker you want to delete. Tap and hold long press on the sticker. A small pop-up or trash icon will appear. Tap delete or drag it to the trash bin. And that's it. The sticker will be permanently deleted from your saved sticker collection and won't show up again in your sticker menu. And you should know, if you can't delete Instagram's built-in stickers, only custom ones you've made. So now you know how to delete your own sticker on Instagram. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.